how nice the weather is today, man. Perfect overcast. I love it. She looks good in the overcast. The green, it's like a bright green right here, dark green in the shadows. Look at this little cutie thing I got. I heard this adds like half a horsepower to your car, maybe even more. Oh, little suede kind of Alcantara kind of vibe. Honestly, my least favorite part about this key is that it's just so boring. Like the 3 Series has this key, you get the most basic Beamer and it's this exact key, except you have a little stripe right here. Hey, what's up, man? I just needed some air in my tire. I don't know if you have time.
I got you. Just pull up the next to that.
Cool, appreciate it. Nice, good guy. Hook this guy up with some joints. Hey. Oh, it's supposed to go through this little hole right here. Hell no. All right. Here's a couple joints for you.
Fuck, bro, you're awesome.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Dude, you know what? I didn't have any money. I was like, fuck, man, I gotta wait until I get home.
Nah, don't worry about it, bro. Hell yeah.
I really appreciate it.
Of course, man. All right, this thing doesn't even close with my keychain, so it's pointless. Unless, hang on. Nah, there's no point. This thing's done. Oh, you stay safe, all right, man? I'll see you soon.
Safe, bro.
It's a good guy. Our tires are filled up. Low-key, you guys know what it is. We got a flight to catch here in like an hour. I gotta get home, get my bag, then get to the airport. So let's do this. Gotta do it a little bit fast. We're just gonna have to bust a nice little U-ey. Wait, she's feeling way faster today. I don't know, I mean, I haven't driven it in like a week or two, but I don't remember it being this fast. Oh. What's this guy doing? What's this guy doing? Pick a lane, man, pick a lane. Make those. Psst. Look at this weather, man. How is this not the best weather? You see the clouds, not a sun in the sky. Oh man, I gotta take a lift. Some people don't like it, but I do. Ooh. I think the expression is usually not a cloud in the sky, but those days are too warm, bro, especially here in the Valley, California. You think SoCal has the best weather, and then you hit like Sherman Oaks, Van Nuys, the San Fernando Valley, and it's disgusting, bro. Really hot in the summer times, but not today. Oh, look at it, man. I feel like it makes the color of your cars pop as well, like especially this one, but I'm talking about the whites, the grays. I really like the way matte wraps look in this weather. I really like the way that, what is it? Like that Nardo gray. You know that Nardo gray that every car manufacturer is trying to do right now? That shit looks amazing in this weather. Oh my goodness. I think there's a dip up here. Yep. The only way to avoid the dip is to get in the very right lane. Oh yeah. i7. This might be BMW's worst work since the i3. But this, hey, it's pretty nice. It's pretty nice. Almost went airborne on that one. If you're in the middle lane on that intersection right there, I swear you catch a little bit of air. It's actually insane. That's gonna be it for this one, guys. Just a little quick POV drive. Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe if you're new. I'll see you in the next one. Stay safe out there. Stay dangerous. Yeah, you know what it is. Peace. I love you.